Atlas Copco's custom tool solutions are developed to address challenges customers may face on assembly lines for non-tightening focused applications. Our solutions are all tied to our existing advanced DC tool offering, which currently exceed many customer expectations across a range of fields. The Atlas Copco ear crimper uses a 2-jaw pincer attachment that crimps the ear on hose clamps together. This can be applied to straight and pistol tools as well as cable and battery-powered tools. By using this tooling solution, we can measure force in newton meters to validate full crimping completion, ensuring that the task is done right the first time, every time. With the Atlas Copco threaded insert tool, we're able to accurately install and secure both riv nuts and riv studs from 4 to 8 millimeters, using the spin-to-spin method controlled by AC torque and angle parameters. This technology can be applied again to both straight or pistol tools, whether battery or cable powered. While most applications are handheld, this can also be applied to automation solutions. The dual angle head solution is an alteration of a standard angle tool, wherein a secondary output shaft is added to allow for different sized sockets and P-set selections. This tooling solution can be used as a handheld, fixtured, or automation solution. We currently offer this for 25, 40, and 50 Newton meter tooling solutions. With the introduction of Atlas Copco's new flange sealing tools, we're able to bring error-proofing solutions to applications where there previously were none. With the crimp-on flange tool, a dual roller setup opens and closes to crimp the sides of the seal to the flange, ensuring proper retention. With the press-on flange tool, an internal cam creates a percussive process that ensures proper adhesion for a seal.